Good morning students, welcome to Aryavardhan YouTube channel English video lessons for the beginners. Students, in today's class we will practice here A pronunciation as A, and here next this one A as a A. A, E, A, E, A, U, A, U, A, I, A, O, A, O, A, O as a, O U as a, here O as a O. So every word has a letter and its pronunciation, it sounds like A. So let's practice students. Bare back, here A is A and here A is A. Bare back, bare back, table land, wasteland, here A and A. Face mask, state craft, here A and E. Basin, saddy, maidly, sadie, basin, sadie, maidly, basin, basis, radius, radium, aphis, aphid, April, Davy, here I E as E, Davy, hasty, Katie, Sadie, Betty, Blakey, Blazy, Clayey, Maidly. Now let's practice A pronunciation sound and E. Here E, A, E and I E as a E. Basie, gatekeeper, basie, sadie, rabies, gatekeeper, wasteful, here A and U. Barefoot, casebook, Facebook, sales room, statehood, bakewell, casemate, agent, apex, here I as a I. Baseline, K9, lakeside, statewide, next O, caseload, bakehouse, gatehouse, fade out, here U as a, sacrum, here O as a, latecomer, here OU as a, vapor, here O as O, tablecloth, zadok. Students, let's practice these words. Face mask, basin, gatekeeper, barefoot, Facebook, sales room, tablecloth, vapor, baseline. Students, let's practice these words.
Bareback, basin, sadie, basie, gatekeeper, wasteful, barefoot, bakewell, caseload, bakehouse, sacrum, latecomer, vapor, tablecloth.
Students, let's practice once again.
Tablecloth, mailbag, bareback, basin, sadie, basie, gatekeeper, wasteful, barefoot, bakewell, caseload, bakehouse, sacrum, latecomer, vapor, table.
Students, now let's practice AI as a sound, and here you can see that A and A and E, A and E, A and U, A and U, A and A and I, A and O, A and OW, A and A. So like this we will practice word, students. So let's start. Mail bag, mail bag, mainland, waist band, rail track. Here E, bailiff, blakely, bailiff, caitiff, Caitlin, chain link, Caitlin, painkiller, tailwind, tailspin, mainspring, Bakley, your E, Bailey, crazy, mainstream, Bailey, crazy, messy, trainee, mainstream. Students, let's practice now. U, faithful, gainful, painful. Here U, rainproof. Here A, straight edge, mainframe, straight edge, mainframe, tailgate. Here I as I, mainline, brainchild. Here O, and OA as O, sailboat, rainbow, sailboat, waistcoat, rainbow, raincoat. O, bail out. Here A, nail brush, paint brush. Here O, mailbox, paint box, raindrops, sailcloth. Students, let's practice these words. Rail track, painful, staircase, waistcoat, raincoat, rainbow, paintbrush, paint box, raindrops. Students, now let's
Mailbag,
practice.
bailiff, Blakely, Bailey, Craigie, mainstream, faithful, rainproof, straightage, mainframe, mainline, sailboat, rainbow, bailout, nail brush, mailbox.
Let's practice once again.
Mailbox, mailbag, bailiff, Blakely, Bailey, Craigie, mainstream, faithful, rainproof, straightage, mainframe, mainline, sailboat, rainbow, bailout, nail brush, mailbox.
So students, till now we have practiced A and AI having a sound or pronunciation as A. So please like and subscribe the channel. Students, in next class we will deal with one more sound. Thank you.